Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. Today's video is a continuation from last week's video. It's a snow day outside, and so I'm just getting some things together in my house. If you're new here, I am Kim with a Y, K-Y-M. I do videos pertaining to home life, so that's cooking, cleaning, doing DIYs, projects, repairs, all of that great stuff. If that sounds like your jam, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out and show that like button some love as well. My youngest daughter normally puts all of the dishes away from the dishwasher, and I noticed when she opened this drawer it was really dirty. I already showed you what it looked like prior to me cleaning it out, and now it looks so much better. There was all kinds of crumbs down here, and I know this is a warmer, but I use it as storage. Let me know how you use it below in the comments. You'll have to let me know how you're doing below in the comments. What are you watching? I love it when you guys give me suggestions of things to watch because I just put it on my list and then I binge it at a later time. And it always works out so well. I feel like a lot of us have the same taste in the things that we like to watch. So yeah, you'll have to let me know what you're watching. Right now I'm watching a show called Rig and it's on Prime, but I'm not really sure how I feel about it yet. So if you watch it and don't like it, don't be coming over here and saying, Kim, that show was terrible, because I'm not sure exactly how I feel about it just yet. I'm in my half bath downstairs and I will be cleaning it with the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant. That smells amazing. And I don't know if you've ever used it and then you walk into your house after you use it. It makes your house just really, really fresh and crisp. Clean the toilet off without anybody looking so nobody would have heart failure, and that is a clean towel. Look at that mirror, she's shining bright like a diamond. And then of course the sink, the entire sink. I'll mop the floor later, but I did wipe really good around the toilet. Let's take a moment to admire one of my favorite pictures. Okay, the moment of silence is over. For those OGs who've been here for a while, I'm about to do a gypsy couch clean. This is something that I like to do. Like if I have company, after they leave, I'll clean the couch, or sometimes just randomly clean the couch if I see a spot. And in this case, I had already cleaned it the day after New Year. So I guess it was New Year's Day. And now I was down here and I saw a spot and I'm like, why is there a spot on this couch? And it was food. So if I'm gonna clean one portion of the couch, I'm just gonna clean the entire couch. So I'm about to get that handled. Wait till you see how dirty the water is. And I just cleaned this last week. How do you say I live in a dust bucket without saying I live in a dust bucket? Just clean your couch off and see the water afterwards. That's how you say it. I'll be using the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant to do this gypsy couch clean as well, again, because it just smells so good.
Say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned?
While the couch is drying, and it doesn't take too long. Now, if I were to take a carpet cleaner to the couch, it would take way longer to dry. Mildew would probably set in and it would have a weird smell, which is why I never use a carpet cleaner on a couch. You should Google it. You're really not supposed to clean your couch like that anyway. At any rate, I want to get some other things in my living room handled as well. Now, I don't know what has happened to the mirror and the TV in the living room, but it had some sort of gunk or something on it, so it took me a really long time to get it scrubbed off. I cut most of that out with the mirror, but with the TV, I just left it in the video to let you know that the struggle is real. Sometimes people think it's really, really easy for me to clean, but I'm very meticulous. I'm not leaving any spots behind. I'm not leaving any streaks behind or anything like that. So I always make sure everything is just clear and concise and really, really clean. And that is just, how I was taught. Shout out to my Aunt Mary, rest with God. I love you so much. Thank you for giving me this skill, because your girl been making money with this skill, okay? Okay, so I know I talk about self-care, self-awareness, and mental health awareness in my videos a lot. And I was just thinking about something that I need to work on myself. And I'm gonna be very transparent because I have no problem doing that. Always know that your story can help someone else, and never allow anyone to silence you. Oh my gosh, people that try to silence people, I just think that's so annoying and so rude. Anyway, this lady, actually 2 ladies at my job, complimented me, and I was just looking at them like, okay, thank you. I don't really know how to take a compliment. But I had to think about that for a second. Like, girl, why don't you know how to take a compliment? What's wrong with you? Do you not believe that you're enough? Do you not believe that you're worthy of that compliment? I mean, it was just a compliment, right? Just say thank you and keep it moving. But it was really hard for me to even acknowledge the fact that they complimented me. I just kind of laughed it off like, no, that's not funny. Do you really not believe that you're worthy? That's something that I'm going to work on. Like I said, sometimes your affirmations change up. Sometimes you say in-depth affirmations. Sometimes you say things just like, I am worthy, I am enough. And clearly I need to go back to that. And also, as women, sometimes we have a hard time taking compliments too. But that's an issue, because you deserve those compliments. Let me know your thoughts below.
Heard you moving on with someone new. My friends keep telling me that it was for the best, but I don't know if I will make it through. 'Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. Falling asleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it.
Do you peep the stash behind the couch? Let me tell you something. Anytime there is any kind of space between like furniture and a wall, best believe Kim's gonna put something back there. I am not organized at all whatsoever, but I will clean the heck out of my house. I will say that my youngest daughter is really good at organizing, and actually my husband is too, so we kind of all balance each other out really well.
We could figure this one out. Hate the fact that our love now is separate, but maybe someday you will realize. 'Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. Falling asleep at night, thinking about you and me. Why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start. But baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you.
Now back to where we started, the kitchen, the heart of it all. I just want to get in here and straighten up just a little bit, because the day is dwindling away and I'm ready to get in the shower, get in the bed, and do nothing else, because tomorrow's a work day. We have cooked, we have eaten, we have reloaded the dishwasher, and now I'm just going to unload the dishes really quickly just to get it done so my daughter doesn't even have to worry about it. I feel like I've been having more and more conversations with people and knowing what their purpose is in life. You'd be really surprised in people not knowing what their purpose is. I definitely want to encourage you to try to figure that out. I know for me, my purpose is to love on people, to show kindness, and just pour into people. That is definitely my purpose. I feel so fulfilled when I do those types of things. It's like my cup is running over tremendously. It's like overflowing. When I tell you that's one of the best feelings ever, it really is. Another thing is when you figure out what your purpose is, it's going to be more meaningful for you to get up in the morning and to just try to conquer that on a daily basis. You always want to be in a place where you want to do better because you know better. You want to do better than yesterday. It takes a lot of energy to be a nasty human being, but guess what? It doesn't take any energy at all to be a kind person. We all need that. Think about the world that we live in. As soon as you turn on the news, everything is going to be so negative. Eventually, your spirit is going to start to feel really, really, really bad, and you're not even going to know why. It's because you're sucking all of that in. My mom be talking about me all the time because I don't watch the news. If I want to know what's going on, I will call her. And I also read a lot. I read because I can dictate what it is that I'm taking in and what I'm reading. My grandfather used to always tell me, protect your ear gates, your eye gates, your nose, and your mouth, because those are openings where things can get in. And I know that sounds crazy, but if you know, you know, okay? If you know, you know. So I'm very mindful of the things that I watch. I'm very mindful of the things that I listen to. And if it don't feel right, I'm turning it off. And that's just on period. And I'm also learning that there's going to be people in your life who've been in your life for a really, really long time that you've got to turn them off too, because they mean you no good. Again, like I said in my last video, let's normalize not sitting at tables where we know that we are not welcome. When people say things to you and they're like, oh, I'm just joking, you know there was some truth to that. And guess what? It doesn't really matter how they feel about you, because again, you're going to be saying your affirmations and looking in the mirror and saying, I am worthy. I am enough. At the end of the day, nothing else matters, but just show people kindness and love. That's all we need in this world right now, especially in this environment we live in.
I read in the silence. I think it's pretty clear. I'm always so sincere. Oh, take me. I'm a wild one, getting bored out looking for attention. I'm not looking to make new friends. No, I've been looking for love instead, for someone I appreciate, and everything crossed my way. I love that I don't know your name. Oh no, I never meant to misbehave. Something about you makes me crave. You really are a different taste. I love that I don't know your name.
Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed today's really quick speed clean. I also hope you're enjoying all the extra videos. I really thought about it for a second and was like, you know what? I've been doing YouTube for 4 years and I have never gone live. So if you're interested in anything like that with me going live, maybe I can cook a meal, harass my husband. I don't know, because I know you ladies love to see him. Let me know if you are interested in that below in the comments. Thank you again so much for being here, and I hope you have an amazing day.